Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. X minus 1 over 2 whole cubed minus x minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus x is equal to 105 over 2. We need to find all possible values of x. So let's start. X minus 1 over 2 whole cubed minus x minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus x is equal to this 105 can be written as 104 plus 1 divided by 2. Next, x minus 1 over 2 whole cubed minus x minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus x is equal to this 104 plus 1 over 2 can be written as 104 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Next, x minus 1 over 2 whole cubed minus x minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus x. We move this 1 over 2 to the left hand side, it will become negative 1 over 2 is equal to this 104 divided by 2 is 52. Now here we have x minus 1 over 2, here we have x minus 1 over 2, and here we have x minus 1 over 2. So we suppose that let x minus 1 over 2 is equal to m. Then this equation will become m cubed minus m squared plus m is equal to 52. Now we move this 52 to the left hand side, then this will become m cubed minus m squared plus m minus 52 is equal to 0. Next, m cubed minus m squared plus m. We can write this negative 52 as negative 64 plus 16 minus 4. So this will become negative 64 plus 16 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is 64 is same as 4 cubed. So we write this 64 with this m cubed. And this is 16 is same as 4 squared. So we write this 16 with this m squared. And we write this negative 4 with this m. So this will become m cubed minus 64 minus m squared plus 16 plus m minus 4 is equal to 0. Next, m cubed minus 64. If we take a negative sign outside the brackets, then this negative m squared will become positive m squared, and this plus 16 will become negative 16 plus m minus 4 is equal to 0. Next, m cubed minus this is 64 can be written as 4 cubed minus m squared minus this 16 can be written as 4 squared. From these two terms we can factor out plus 1. In bracket left, m minus 4 is equal to 0. Now by using this algebraic identity, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. This m cubed minus 4 cubed will become m minus 4 times m squared plus 4 times m plus 4 squared or 16 minus, by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This m squared minus 4 squared will become m plus 4 times m minus 4 plus 1 time m minus 4 is equal to 0. Now as you can see, this expression m minus 4, this expression m minus 4, this expression m minus 4 is a common factor. So we factor out this m minus 4, and in bracket left this m squared plus 4m plus 16 minus m plus 4 and plus 1. In bracket left m squared plus 4 times m plus 16 minus this m, and due to this minus, this positive 4 will become negative 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, m minus 4 times m squared. This 4m minus 1m will become plus 3m. 16 minus 4, 12, 12 plus 1 plus 13 is equal to 0. From here, either this expression m minus 4 is equal to 0, or this expression m squared plus 3 times m plus 13 is equal to 0. From this equation, we get the value of m is equal to 4. From this quadratic equation, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 13. According to quadratic formula, m is equal to negative 3 plus minus square root of, in place of b squared we write 3 squared, minus 4 times, in place of a we write 1 times, in place of c we write 13, divided by 2 times, in place of a we write 1. Next, m is equal to negative 3 plus minus square root of, this 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 13, 52, divided by 2 times 1, 2. Next, m is equal to negative 3 plus minus square root of, this 9 minus 52 is negative 43, divided by 2, and m is equal to negative 3 plus minus, this square root of negative 43 can be written as square root of 43 times square root of negative 1, divided by 2. Next, m is equal to negative 3 plus minus square root of 43. This square root of negative 1 will become I, divided by 2. And first we found the value of m is equal to 4. Now to find the values of x, recall that we have supposed that x minus 1 over 2 is equal to n. We have supposed that x minus 1 over 2 is equal to m. So when m is equal to 4, then this equation will become x minus 1 over 2 is equal to 4. We move this negative 1 over 2 to the right hand side. Then this will become x is equal to 4 plus 1 over 2. Next, x is equal to, we can write the denominator of this for 1. And we take LCM of this one and this 2. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 times this 4, 8. Plus 2 divided by 2, 1. And 1 times this one, 1. So from here we get the value of x is equal to 9 over 2. This is the first value of x. This is the first solution of this equation. Now when m is equal to this expression, then this will become x minus 1 over 2 is equal to negative 3 plus minus root 43i divided by 2. Now we move this negative 1 over 2 to the right hand side, then this will become x is equal to negative 3 plus minus root 43i divided by 2 plus 1 over 2. Next, x is equal to, we can write the common denominator 2. In this expression will come here negative 3 plus minus root 43i, this plus, and this one will come here. Next, x is equal to negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2 plus minus root 43i divided by 2. This is the second and third value of x. So we have three solutions of this equation.